Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jackie X. My dear friend, it's time to fit the car with the pilot, a removable pilot. So I have to paint it and then find a system to put in and take out the pilot, because when I don't use it, I would like to see the car without a stupid person that stays there waiting to drive. Which pilot? Jackie X. Black helmet. Start with the helmet. Paint in black, then white, not so easy to do. They has to be perfect. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. This is the BBX pilot, and here it's supposed to have a screw, and here this, and to mount this to this, another screw. So screw I have a lot, my magic box. So now I assemble the helmet and first of all paint in black. This is not the way to take the pieces from the sprue. This is the right way. Screw. I use this. No need for a long screw. Black, perfect, because the helmet is black. Wait, Nanny, wait. This one inside, otherwise I can't mount on the body. This side. One or the other is quite the same. You saw my video on the BBX? No? Go to the channel and find out, because the BBX was another best from Tamiya, best novelty. Okay, now I have to put on a stick, maybe this, okay, and spray it. While I'm waiting the head of the pilot to dry, and as I work at it, it's not perfect, so this requires a little bit of work to be perfectly shining, I begin to work on the pilot in order to put it in this position. Fortunately, the hands will be at the right place for the steering wheel. I have to open in this part the hands in order to grip the steering wheel. Then, after found the right position, because here I have the head, so this has to stay down, but down means in front, and it's go too much to the front of the car, so perhaps I have to cut this, but I would like to have this very, so it's not so easy. Compromise as usual. This may be because here I can paint the legs of the pilot. Okay, now I have to finish well, and then think, because the thing is, how can I put this here in a stable way? I don't want any Velcro under that when I don't have the pilot. No. When the paint dried, I saw that there were a lot of problems, because I tried to eliminate this step between the two parts of the helmet, like in this point, and I used a good working sanding paper that left a lot of signs. Now I use this thinner paper with water. This is a 600 with water, and I do the work until I don't see all these little black signs. When the surface will be perfectly white, the helmet will be perfectly shining. And this work I don't love. Perfect. Perfect. The glue melts the plastic, and you can use this paste as a filler. Fingers, our best tools. Okay, let dry. And this pilot now has very short arms, but this is a prosthetic defect. So from the outside you don't notice this, but you see the pilot inside the car. And the steering wheel is about here, and with the head from outside everything will be okay. The helmet is painted in black, and now I am using this. I suggest you to buy, because it's a perfect and wonderful tape. You can curve it, and now here I have to paint in white. Making this helmet is not so easy, just 2 white lines, but I'm working from about an hour, and it's way far from to be finished. After a little research on Google, I found the color of the racing dress from Jackie X, and it's white with a big Porsche emblem here, a Porsche right here. So I start to paint in matte white, then I make all the finishing. Seat belts and legs. Now when they will be dried, I will make other little things. And this is the pilot's body. On the helmet, Rothman's stickers I found from all the things I used to keep. Porsche writing is not the same, but is very similar to the one I saw, the pictures I found. Nice. Then the visor, eyes. Jackie X, color of eyes, black or brown? It's very easy to do a disaster with this. Okay. Gloves. I want to paint gloves in red. Also, if I'm not really sure that original gloves were red, but I like them. Red is gone. I have to buy new one. No, I don't believe it. It seems quite... No, it's a paste. It's not a paint. New from the shop and in these conditions. Fantastic. Also, Umbro is going to die. This is not €3.50 for this sheet. Thank you. Thank you very much. I try to take back to life. A little bit more of thinner. This is very expensive too, thanks to Brexit. Prices gone to the stars. Delivery never. We have to cut all the English product from our everyday life, and this is a pity because there are several super nice things. This is not a bright red. This is a brick red. No, I have to change. I'm disgusted from this. Look at this. Okay, gloves are blue with this about 30 years old Umbro enamel. Once they were a very good product. Today, this I have to throw away. I'm really sad. Once I used to say that Tamiya acrylic colors were the one, and it's so nice to use this one because it's different. But I think that I will abandon this. I will use this, the old one, until I have them, then I will change. No more news on this. They lost a client. One, and tomorrow another, and tomorrow up to die of the very old good factory. For the helmet visor, I use this very old transparent that turned in the time into a little bit yellow, and it's fantastic because the visor, as I saw in the pictures of the helmet, was a little bit fumé. They say fumé. Doing the visor, I pressed this paper on the helmet, then I obtained this quite regular shape. Then I will put this over this, and with a pencil, here it is. This is the size. Then I have to square it a little bit. Bigger is better. Okay, I apply this on this, then I cut. And here I should have the visor. Now I have to make it a little bit regular. Then I curve. I give the right shape, then I make holes. Then I take out this, that is a protection. Then I screw on the helmet. After my blue gloves, damn to the... Okay, I can say nothing. we finish the helmet. 2 screws, very little, 2 holes, screw in a hole, then carry to the helmet, find the place for the first hole, make the first hole, first screw, then second hole, second screw. And you will have a super fantastic helmet. And here we have our pilot at the drive. The hands that grips perfectly the steering wheel. The helmet open. I love it. And the fact that it is removable is fantastic, because when the car is on display, it will be without the pilot. My friends, the model is finished. No more works. I'm waiting for the weather to be warmer and have a test on the nanny barn ring. By now, I can say I'm very happy of my work. Naturally, the one who make the work just knows what is gone wrong, and all the parts you can do better. But taking a look, I love it. It's a very complete model. The first time I heard something about this model was from a friend of mine, an American friend of mine, Adam, and the thing he told that the car was so empty. I tried to fill it up and I had a lot of fun. Hope also you. Thank you very much for watching. Up to the next with a little celebration, and comment, like and subscribe. Ciao.